our second in the breakfast series.
Yes.
Probably
Part
going to
two.
go to two. Yeah,
Part
part
two.
two. Part
Do.
two.
Is that okay? Is that okay? Do.
You're going to
Okay.
subscribe.
Yeah. Please subscribe. If you like this, subscribe. And if you don't like it, subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Always subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have your beer?
Yes.
Oh,
Also
good.
got my beer.
Okay. Alright, so
Yes.
breakfast, beer for breakfast.
Beer for
Plus
breakfast. And a lovely, we're going to call this a Pizza Omelet Surprise.
Pizza Omelet Surprise.
Yep. In here we've
Okay.
got lovely fresh herbs, we've got mozzarella, and we've got a lovely spicy jalapeno sauce.
Alright, so once again a vegetarian breakfast.
It's vegetarian, but it's absolutely delicious. Okay, as we said before, we're showing you two breakfasts with very similar ingredients. So we've got the half of mozzarella left. Remember, we used half. This is the second half. We've got our half herbs left. This is the second half. We've got the same jalapeno sauce, salt and pepper. And all we need for this guy is some milk and 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
So we're going to make a cracking little omelette.
We can crack a joke this time.
Oh, dear.
We can crack a joke.
It's going to be like a pizza omelette because we're going to leave this guy open. We're not doing the fancy chefy thing of folding and not colouring and all that nonsense. This guy is going to be coloured. He's going to be open. All the things that they tell you not to do. But that's what we like on the Shortcut Chef.
Yeah.
So let's get cracking with this guy. Cracking. First thing we want to do, crack
Why
up
don't you crack a
eggs.
yolk? Crack a yolk.
This guy.
Are you drinking beer this morning?
Yes, of course I'm drinking beer.
I think Doogie's busy shouting.
You better behave. Right, I need a whisk for this.
The whisk.
I've just got to find one.
Whisk
Here
it
we
all
go.
up.
Here we go. Here he is. Splash of milk.
Splash
A
of milk.
little splash of milk. We're going to give these guys
What
a
is a
little whisk.
splash?
Oh, as much as you
50
fancy.
mils.
It's like a splash of vodka or whatever.
Okay.
It's up to your discretion. Okay, here we go. Right, so now...
Put vodka in this
No,
meal.
no. I could never put alcohol with breakfast. It's not in my nature.
Okay.
No.
Fair point. Fair dues. Fair
Okay.
dues.
So there is the remainder of our herbs. Remember, it was basil, mint, coriander. Exactly the same as we had before. We're going to do exactly the same to this. Now slice that up.
Okay. Slicing up your coriander.
Slicing up our coriander.
Okay.
Popping that in the eggs. Get everything in there. We're going to take some of our jalapeno sauce.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to pop some of that in, a couple of glugs. Remember I said, depends on how spicy you like it.
Yeah.
We are going to put a couple of turns of pepper. Couple of turns of salt.
Pepper, salt.
Some salt. Also, depending on how much you like, eggs can take a little bit of salt. Mix that up. Okay, then camera guy, where are you? Camera guy,
Yeah.
where are you?
Having a sip of
Come
beer.
on, we're coming over to the pan here.
Okay, so
Camera
what
guy.
are we doing? Okay.
Come on.
Okay, so now we're going to take your food to the pan.
Yes, come on.
Right,
Stop,
here I come.
stop
Here I come.
messing around.
Okay, so
Right.
we've got the mixture.
That's the
Right.
mixture. Let's come over with the mixture,
Okay,
camera
we've got
guy.
the mixture. Alright, follow you.
Yes.
Like a dolly. What's
Yep.
it called? A dolly. That's
Right,
what they call it
there's
in
our
my
pan.
profession. What's that? Water.
Bit of oil, not
Oil.
water. You're obsessed
Okay.
with water, this guy.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, and then,
Get that nice and hot.
so your pan's on hot.
Yeah, that pan's ready.
Okay.
Like I said, it's not a traditional omelette. These guys tell you don't brown it, don't do all that nonsense. We're going to get this in and into the oven and we for away.
Okay, so in it
Into our
goes.
pan. Oh, hear that sizzle, camera guy.
Yeah.
Hello,
I
camera
have
guy.
ears. I have ears.
Camera guy.
Okay, now we're burning it.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
we don't want to cook this all the way through. Just
No.
move the sides.
Yeah.
See that, camera guy?
Yeah.
Gently move the sides
Good
away
looking
from the
pan,
pan.
yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
Just move the egg into the middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's cooking nicely.
Yeah, it's cooking.
Okay.
That's it. So we want it wet. We don't want it cooked through. So we're just gonna.
Okay.
Okay, we're about there.
All right.
We're gonna come in with our cheese. Remember, we reserved half that cheese.
Yeah.
Pop that cheese on
Put
top.
the cheese in already.
Yep.
Looks
Cheese
the
is
same
going.
colour as the egg. So
Okay, there we go. Now, camera guy, here comes the magic. Are you
Magic.
watching?
Yeah. What happens
Taking
now?
this pan, camera guy. Watch
Yeah.
out! Watch
Okay.
out for the
Oh,
oven, camera
yeah.
guy.
Yeah.
You got it?
Got it.
You still on cue?
Still on cue.
I've got my grill on here.
Rolling, don't burn your foot.
Under the grill. we're
Under
going.
the grill.
Can you get in there, camera guy?
Yeah. Okay.
Get
Wait.
in there. Come on, get right in there, camera guy.
This is the under the grill.
Under the grill. Get right in there.
Melt the camera for the sake of good cuisine. Look at that. Okay, so now what?
Okay. Now it needs to bubble and rise up.
Okay,
We're
so
going to
we're
give
gonna
that 2
close the
minutes.
oven.
No.
Oh, we're just going to leave the oven
we're going to
open.
leave that on the grill, camera guy.
Okay. All right.
See, it's starting to bubble, camera guy.
We think it's starting to bubble.
No,
the
it's
camera's
bubbling.
starting to bubble.
You'll be bubbling in a minute.
Oh, my head's starting to bubble. Yeah. Should I climb in the oven next to it?
Well, I don't think you're edible.
Probably. Okay, so
Right.
you're just leaving it in there.
Okay, no, it's going to be 1 more minute. It's going to brown
more
like a
minute.
pizza. That's why we're going to call this a
Okay,
pizza
so this
omelet.
is live video. There's the chef. This is live video. As you can see, guys, this is full action cooking. This takes,
You can't
skill.
buy this.
You can't
buy
buy
this.
this is full action cooking.
It's
I could lose the camera.
all
So
action.
that's the wrong way around. But it's your morning beer. Okay.
Okay, now what's going to happen here
What is going to happen now?
is that the cheese is melting.
Yeah. Okay.
The omelet's rising up.
All right. So let's okay. You tell me what's happening.
Yep, cheese is
The
melting.
cheese is melting.
Cheese is
Okay.
melting. The eggs are rising up.
The eggs are rising.
They're
up.
aerating.
They're aerating.
Yep. And
It's
we
like a
are
wildlife show.
coming out with an unbelievable pizza type omelette.
Pizza type omelet, ladies and
I
gentlemen.
don't think this will ever be repeated again.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I
this
can't
is
see it.
Never to be seen.
Camera
footage.
guy, I can't see it.
Never before seen footage, ladies
No,
and gentlemen.
never be seen
Right.
being whatever
Right in
footage.
the oven.
Now it's browning. Can you
Now
see
it's
that?
browning. Yeah,
Big fella.
Yeah.
Can you
My face.
look?
Yeah.
Look.
There it's browning.
Okay, we're there.
We're
good.
there.
No,
Are we there?
give me 1 minute. We're there.
All right, we're there.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you're witnessing here is something spectacular, something never seen before. Like a Richard Attenborough of cooking. Getting right in, melting
Right
the
in.
camera for the sake
Melting
of
the camera.
good journalism. Melting my face off.
Really grilling the
Plastic
eggs.
surgery.
Can you
I
smell
would be
that?
a melted
Camera.
face.
Okay, we're good to go.
We're
Camera
good
guy.
to go.
Look at
Okay.
this.
Let's
I'm
see.
happy with that.
Are you happy with that?
I'm
You're
happy with that.
I'm happy.
How does that smell? Get on your schnoz.
Yeah,
Get it
no,
up
it's
there.
on my schnoz.
Get it up there on your schnoz.
Got it
How's
on
it?
there. Let me get it bubbling.
Yeah.
That is.
Huh?
This is.
This is a
first
pizza
class
omelette.
footage.
Jeez.
This is excellent stuff.
Right. Let's see if we can turn this puppy out, camera guy.
Let's see what happens to that puppy. What is that puppy?
Puppy? No, it's a
Oh.
puppy. Yeah, puppy. We said puppy.
Okay, so what happens now?
Right, so we're rolling, camera
We're
guy.
rolling.
Okay.
We're back on track.
Oh. Okay.
Camera survived.
Okay, right, here we go.
Yeah.
Just loosen it a little from your pan. Okay.
Loosen it from your pan.
From your pan, from
Yeah.
the edges. And then we're
Plop
going
it
to just gently plop that on our plate.
Plop it in.
Oh.
Look at that.
Look at that.
All right.
Camera guy.
And I can tell you right now that no cameras were harmed in the making of this video.
I hope not. No. That is our little pizza omelette. Spicy, cheesy, and extremely herby. And
Herby.
it's delicious.
Herby. I think it was very good.
Absolutely delicious. Fresh, tasty, cheesy, and spicy, as we described.